Hey everybody, how you doing? Kelly Johnston here from Kelly's Truck Talk. I'm talking about stuff that is happening right now in the real estate business. I'm still working, I'm still busy. I gotta do it while I'm driving down the road. You know, thank you for joining me. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for watching these episodes, these rants, whatever. I hope that you've already subscribed, and that's why you're getting this. But if you haven't, please subscribe, hit the bell, get notified. I post these all the time, and we've got more stuff coming up. I've got some ideas of some new types of videos to be popping into the channel. And everything is about helping agents, helping real estate agents just think differently, maybe give you a little bit of an angle to think about something, maybe a little tidbit, maybe a little idea. Whatever, that's what this is all about. So, and it's off the cuff, it's real, it's happening, like, you know, at the moment. I just got out of a coaching session that I do every single week. You're always welcome to join, by the way, every single Thursday, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time till 11 a.m. We do an hour. And last week was actually a long weekend here in Canada. We had Canada Day. And so Friday was Canada Day, so a lot of people were taking an extra long weekend, taking off on the Thursday, and I always do it on Thursdays. So it was just me and one other person, and we had a great conversation. It was really super fruitful conversation for him, and we just had a great conversation. But every once in a while, you get these one-on-ones, which is kind of cool. But this week we had some more people. And I was prepared, but I was actually prepared last week to talk about this stuff. Ended up talking about it this week, but really super empowering things. And the crust of it all, and I'm gonna post that coaching session because I think it's super valuable for real estate agents right now to hear that stuff. And what I was talking about is we are now in what we call a skills market. Okay, business isn't going to come to you by happenstance. It's not going to come easy. You may have already run out of your sphere of influence. It might have been, some people might have experienced a super hard time, and just like nobody had time to educate, and no one could really figure it out. And it was just like, well, just go get a listing. Like, just do whatever you got to do to get a listing. And then now you had buyers. Oh, okay, I got buyers now. And buyers suck because I'm missing out on 6 or 7 deals, and by the end of it, they've had it, and they just give up because the market just went away on them during those 6 or 7 deals that we lost out on, and the market went up another 20%, took them right out of the market. Now we have to reboot, rejig our game plan, and they just don't like that new game plan, so they're just deciding not to do it. Like, all of this stuff was going on, guys, for a lot of people. There was some people thriving through it all. But it wasn't like it wasn't hard work. It was hard work. Like, we worked with a lot of buyers and spent a lot of time on those things. And each listing was a ton of work. Like, you had to pay a ton of attention to that listing and make sure everything got handled properly to get those people the best price. And you didn't, and listings didn't hang on very long. So it was like you're just recycling listings, and you're just working for the next listing and working for the next listing. And it was crazy. Like, it was a ton of work. People really think that, you know, but we weren't garnering the extra business that you normally get in a real estate market because we were so busy just dealing with whatever we had going on. And buyers were a ton of work. It was like working with 6 or 7 buyers to work with one buyer, right? But now it's different. Now it's about skill sets. Now it's about consulting properly. Now it's about communication. It's about setting proper expectations with clients, rebooting them on their expectations, having those proper conversations to position your property in the market so you're not helping other listings sell, having skilled conversations with people that actually get to the right result and take them to where they want to go. They may have an expectation of what they believe is a good result. And we have to sometimes reset that. We have to kind of reboot that. We have to have a conversation about the overall bigger picture with people, and we have to get skilled at that. We have to get skilled at talking about our value proposition with people. We have to be skilled at getting rid of the clutter that's out there. There's a ton of messages that are out there right now. There's tons of messages out there. Oh my goodness. That are, a lot of them are false. A lot of them are incorrect. A lot of them are doomsday type messages that aren't right. They're not right. And I'm not saying they're lying. I just think that people are they love the doomsday thing. They love talking about negative. They love that whole thing. I don't know why. It's just something that's just, I don't know. It gets their juices flowing for some reason to talk negative. But I'm telling you, this is where your skills, this is where your ability to influence, your ability to garner trust, your ability to wipe away the noise and get people to clarity and help them get to clarity so that they can make a decision. And the right decision may not be to sell right now. That might be the right decision. It's not time to sell, not time to buy it for some people. But to get them to that right decision and for them to know that you've helped navigate them there to get to the right decision, to get rid of the clutter and rid of the mess and rid of the false stuff that's going on out there. And you know what? Like, here's an example. Here's an example right now, okay? Buyers are scared. The rates have gone up. Okay, rates have gone up. What's that going to cost you now to buy the same thing? Well, here's the thing. You can't buy the same thing. You have to come down in value now. You don't qualify for that anymore. So that payment, the payment that you qualified for, is still exactly the same. You just don't get to buy that thing anymore. So you got to look at a different thing to buy. And sometimes, in some cases, in some markets, not everywhere, that thing that they were hoping to buy before was actually almost impossible. It was almost impossible. They're fighting against 10 to 20 people to buy that thing. And it was getting bidded up. And there was this uncertainty. And they weren't able to do proper due diligence. They weren't able to do home inspections. They weren't able to get financing. They weren't able to check out the strata or their homeowners association properly. They weren't able to make a proper, actual good decision. Well, now they can make a great decision. And now they have choice. They can go look around. They can start to get a clear understanding of what a good deal is and find a good deal now. They can actually do that. Oh, the rates are going up. Well, then lock in. Lock in your rate right now. Get it done. I'll get you in touch with my person. You get together with them. Get it done. Lock it down, because rates probably aren't going to go down right now. So if they do, you get the advantage of that. You get the lower rate if it does go down. But if rates go up, you get your locked in rate. So get locked in so you know your numbers, and then let's go. Let's go find something for you. It may not be the dream property right now. It might be the stepping stone property, but that's okay. That's what we got to do. We got to get you in the market. Guys, you drive the bus. You hit the brakes when you hit the brakes. You hit the gas when you hit the gas. You can invite whoever you want on the bus and help people get where they want to go. You have full control of all those things. So drive the bus. Have a clear destination. And when there's confusion out there, help people understand the reality and the truth. Okay? All right, go out there and make a great day.